Slang it out, you're the bro, hoe big. Poke it out, down, shawty, you can get it.
1, 2, 3, 4, get a booty 5. I like my bitch real thick, little mo thighs. Richer than your old head, no lies. Stacks in the pool, old car at the G-spot. Real gentleman, never call again. I'm hot, fresh up out that water, I ain't even swim. Her she got a new, where he could be a man. Man, I wouldn't shake his hand with a broke hand. I don't fear nan, the boy Conan. Make a bitch drip, butt naked like she pole dance. Standing in the club on the couch. Grab the mic, then announce this.
Okay, now ladies, if you know you bad, don't need no man, got your own bands, put up your hand. If you a top knot bitch, let me holler. Bend it over, touch your toe, whip it out, show them, bang roll. Slang it out, you're the bro, hoe big. Poke it out, down, shawty, you can get it. If you got some good pussy, if you got some good head on your shoulders, if you got some good pussy, if you never let a hoe be over, if you bout your check, drink more wet, know the poop stay wet. I need all that, tattoos on the back, I see all that. Yeah, I already got a man, I ain't tryna be out there.
I'm just tryna hit it by the end of the night. Lil' mama so bad and my booty so tight. When I hit it from the don't fuss, don't fight. When I put it in, don't scratch, don't bite. I'm showing up, money I'm throwing up, liquor I'm pouring up. Go get you another cup. I told her shorty what's up, told her I'm tryna cut, and then I slapped the dead on the butt.
Okay, now ladies, if you know you bad, don't need no man, got your own bands, put up your hand. If you a top knot bitch,